Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, we start to see here potentially a little bit of a sell-off in the C wave here finally of this decline. You will remember that we talked about the further expectations of a further decline here on the Ethereum chart into the region between 1830, which is here the 50% Fibonacci retracement. At the same time, it is structural support. We had support here on the 24th of July, support here on the 6th of July, support here on the 30th of June, support here on the 28th of June. So as long as we are, sort of holding that level, we might see a few more bounces here. But overall, the expectation based on the wave count, based on the projections, Fibonacci levels and proportions, the idea would be to go still a little bit lower because we had a wave 1 to the upside between the 15th of June and the 13th of July. And the wave 2 would typically go at least to the 50% retracement. Now you could argue, okay, we've reached that target already here on the 24th of July when we came very close. I think target was here 1828, of course, well, the 50% retracement. And it reached 1835 or something. So, I mean, it's very close for a very volatile market like crypto. It's been pretty accurate. It's just like the wave count itself is not really complete. So if price was going to turn around here and if price was going to rally from here, the downside wave count and structure still looks fairly incomplete to me. So I would still like to see price go a little lower to complete that wave count. And my wave count is suggesting that we had here an A wave down, a B wave up, and the C wave down is a 5-wave move. And you will remember that we talked about this C wave as an ending diagonal, so that explains the choppiness of this. So the rapid up and down movements, unexpected moves to the upside, unexpected moves to the downside, especially here in ending diagonals, absolutely possible. In an ending diagonal, the subwaves are 3-wave moves. So the wave 1 was a 3-wave move, the wave 2 as well. The wave 3 now is probably still in the making as an A, B, C structure, then a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down could take us to around about 1780. Generally support in this yellow box, which is also the relevant support level and basically invalidation point for this setup, which could eventually take us to $2,500 plus. Relevant support is $1,700. Any break below that, any sustained break below that will make this setup very unlikely, but we are far away from that. And unless we see some crazy extensions here, we should be able to turn around here and go to the upside between 1828 and 1781 without the need to go down all the way to 1713, which again is the 78.6 retracement level. It's good that we're coming down very slowly. I know it is boring, but you certainly don't want price to come down in a very rapid and impulsive way, because if it was doing that, it would rather confirm the idea that maybe the move down is impulsive instead of corrective. So at the moment, it's all just going according to script. I'm very happy if it's going down slowly, because it means that these sellers aren't very strong. So nevertheless, we're going to observe that for you. And unless I really see an impulse to the upside, I can't confirm to you that a low is already in. So at the moment, unless we see a first impulse to the upside, I'm going for lower here at the moment. But we'll let you know if things are changing. But generally in this area here, this is where we would expect a turnaround and a rally to the upside. Yeah, okay. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.